Alright guys, quickly, I gotta get a lot of work done. I'm working alone, 3 hats, 1 guy. So 3 things I want to address. A, we desperately could use a trained or untrained but willing to learn and motivated, qualified secretary, or what we would refer to here as an admin assistant. I could truly use that. What that job description looks like, if you're interested, feel free to send me a personal message on Facebook through J.M.D. Small Engine Repair or Justin Donnell. You're better likely to find it under Justin Donnell. However, keeping business and life separate, I guess we will choose just do it under J.M.D. Small Engine Repair. I will find a way to be certain that I check them off messages more efficiently than I have in the past. But okay, so we covered that. I'm looking for a secretary. PM me. My next thing here at J.M.D. Small Engine Repair, we have a beautiful workspace, by the way, at the moment. It's not your average ideal thing, but yeah, we make do with what we got until the the 2,000 plus square foot shop is built. Don't worry, we're coming. So here we go. Another thing we had to bring up, man, I need to write notes on this. Okay, well, I can only think of one more thing. So we're gonna try to play. I think it'd be fun. I'm thinking I want to play something called the belt game. Basically, I don't have the best eating habits, and I'm not really proud to say that. I've been working on it though, so that's all that counts. That's all that really matters. However, I have a thing for belts too, and I also have a thing for people making money. So if you like to make money, I have a little game I'd like to play, and I'm just curious if somebody, and I can give you 2 places for an example if you need some help, Goodwill or Main Street Closet here in Willow Street, PA. It's located in the old Darren Camps building. So I have a game. I want someone, anyone, I don't care who you are, what you are, male, female, black, blue, orange, white, I don't care. I'm very open, and I like people. So here's the deal. I want to see if you guys can find a belt, the best quality and the nicest belt you can find for under $5. Has to be under $5. That's a must. So under $5, I want to see the receipt with the purchase date between now, which is 1/25/21, between the time that someone shows up here with a belt. And what I would like to do is offer them either a $20 credit towards any service of their liking, or my first initial thought was a free $20 oil change, which basically covers most or all of your equipment, even up into your 0 turns. We will give you a 0 turn oil change for that service. But the key is you have to only spend $5, and it's got to be the nicest belt you can find. And within reason, I'll do as many oil changes as the belt shows up, because I like collecting belts. And by golly, I don't believe I'm going to regret this, but I never know. I might have 100 belts by next weekend. We'll see. I might have none. I don't care. I have a belt on. There it is. I cut a new hole in this one, which, by the way, briefly, ooh, getting dirty. Woohoo. Come on, camera. By the way, this belt buckle is meaningful. My mom got me that when I was 15, on my way to venture out for the very first time in my entire life on the wheat harvest out west. We ventured from Oklahoma all the way up into Canada. The last place we were cutting wheat was literally in Montana. We were crossing a field into the Canadian border and back. Wow! What a blessing, guys. I love my life. I've done a crazy one, and I still live a crazy one. My life is interesting at best. So be blessed, and I truly got to get back to work before my focus loses my company. That sucks. I need to get focused and get to work. Peace!